Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jamila Daura. Thank you for clicking to watch this video. If you are new, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, hi. Today's video is going to be a little bit different, slightly different from what we are used to doing, like makeup, skincare or vlog, but it still has something to do with YouTube because this is our platform, so we need to keep ourselves updated, right? So please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and let us get right into it. If you're on YouTube, you're either here as a consumer, someone that is consuming YouTube for their pleasure, for information, for knowledge, and any other. If you're not one of the consumers of YouTube, you're probably someone like me, a content creator on YouTube. I use this as an outlet to share things that I feel like will be beneficial to my audience. However, if you're also someone that is thinking of starting out on YouTube on this YouTube journey, it is important that you get yourself acquainted with a lot of things. Trust me, there is a lot of information out there, but it is very important for you to avoid information overload, which a lot of us, I experienced. Let me speak for myself. I experienced it and it was fun. It was not funny. Money has been dumped. I can't say wasted, but I see the impact sometimes. Sometimes I'm like, why did I do this? Like buying all these gadgets, buying camera. But anyways, if you're someone that is thinking about starting your YouTube journey, welcome, and I hope you have a successful one and not good. I pray for everybody not to go through the same things that I went through, for it to be easy breezy for them. However, YouTube have made a lot of changes and improvements since the last time I started, and in my head I'm like, if you had started doing all these things, I wouldn't have spent the money that I spent on the things that I spent for, because now you're giving me the things that I needed in the past, and I'm so grateful that it is here because it's still going to save me. However, there's something I want us to understand, right? When you are on a journey like this, or when you are doing something like this, you have to evolve, keep evolving. And as part of evolving, I changed the name of this channel. It used to be AADO Lifestyle. It is now Jamila Daura Lifestyle. I thought about this through and through. It's been, that gut feeling that you need to do this, you need to do this. And it is one thing that I feel like even as a YouTuber, like I said, you need to evolve. And AADO Lifestyle is still an identity, it's still a brand. Like people see me, I'm like, AADO Lifestyle, and I like it, and that is because I see it doing what it should do. People know that that is not my name, but they like to call me AADO Lifestyle, and I appreciate that. However, I wanted AADO Lifestyle to be something else, and now I have the direction of taking it back to where it ought to be and where it what brought about that name in the first instance. So I had to change the name. I still have the handle AADO Lifestyle of this, just to keep it like that, but I think I'm going to change that just to keep everything uniform. So yeah, we have changed the name, and that is the number one tip I'm going to be giving you. If you're someone that has been on this journey for long, or someone that is just starting, use a name that is definitely going to be timeless. I've seen a pattern amongst people that are quite successful on this journey. I'm not saying I'm not successful. I am successful in my own right, but one thing I have come to understand, that people use their first and last name as an identity, as their brand identity. It captures better, it captures more. AADO Lifestyle was it, and for the longest, it brought me this far. So it wasn't totally bad, but I see Jamila Daura taking me even further. And inshallah, I hope you guys understand this and, support me, and, let's keep this journey going. I just had to put the name out there. So let's get into proper some of the changes YouTube have made that you may or may not have noticed, or how it is going to benefit you as someone that is just about to start your journey. The third change or addition that YouTube has made in the last 1 year is podcast. Now, podcast is the new thing. Everybody is a podcaster. Like, you can just stay on your microphone and just be talking and be like, just be talking and be talking and be talking. But yeah, podcast is it, and it is the thing right now, and I like it that YouTube is trying to bring it home. People have been using what is it called, Spotify, Apple, all those other platforms to launch their podcast channels. But I like that you have the feature now on YouTube. So if you're interested in podcasts, you can bring it to YouTube and upload your podcast on YouTube instead of taking it out of YouTube. And this is going to help your platform if you are someone that is looking for new audience and not YouTube audience. By all means, you can go to any other platform to do your podcasting. But if you are already a YouTuber and you feel like, okay, I want to try out podcast, you already have the audience here on your YouTube. You can use it as a leverage to launch your podcast career. So if you're someone that is considering podcasting, I feel like it is a lot easier. All you just do is click on that podcast feature on your setting and just start recording your podcast and be talking about something. And I may or may not delve into it soon, but I'm thinking of doing it for the other channel, Jamila Daura channel. And yeah, let me know what you think about the podcast. The last change that YouTube has done, and this is coming, I'm sure I don't know if they've sent out mails yet to let you know that YouTube ads is now live. Well, it's at the beta stage, but it is now live. You can try it. No more paying influencers to shout you out on your to shout out your channel to help you grow. No more attending YouTube class. Now YouTube is just taking reins of everything that people have used to make money out of YouTube, right? We've had classes, we've had people paying for people to shout them out because they feel like they are odd. Now you can capture those audience on your own using YouTube ads, and I am here for it. Like the same money you are going to pay now. The good thing is that you can do it within your destiny. They are going to have explored it, and it is going to like give you option of using the minimum amount like that you can afford. However, they tell you that okay, if you do this amount, it's not going to benefit you in any way, but if you do this amount, it is going to benefit you. So when you look at this money that you're going to spend, or the money that you normally go and give an influencer, like 100,000, repost my work, do this in YouTube themselves have taken the reins of YouTube adverts. You can advertise your videos. It used to be on Google ads, so you have to, you have Google AdSense, then you go through Google ads to create ads for your this thing. But now it is coming inside, just as they separated your AdSense and your analytics, Google analytics from your YouTube analytics, the money that they pay you, right? They have done the same thing now. They have separated YouTube ads from Google ads, so you can just go on your YouTube studio, and click on that button on that tab of I think they call it promotion or promo advertising. I can't remember exactly what I saw, and that was what prompted me to like even make this video. Like YouTube has all these features, and I don't know if you all know about it and how you can leverage it for your channel, starting with the reuse button. I'm sure a lot of us know this by now, and if it is not on the mobile feature, try to be uploading via your laptop. My God, it's going to save you a lot of stress. Seize the opportunity, and this ads thing is the best for me. No more paying influencers. Not that I ever paid an influencer to shout me out or to kind of maybe repost my video on their tabs. At there times I have considered it, yes, when they advertise for it, but now I know for sure that the audience that I'm looking for, YouTube can give it to me, and I would not mind paying for ads and letting my video get out there and getting quality subscribers that will watch your videos and potentially come back and become a member of your community. So that is it, guys, for this video. I hope there is something useful in it for you and you have captured one or two things from it. Again, the name change is here to stay, and I am loving it. I am enjoying this evolving that I am doing with my channel. And yeah, again, go through your studio, go through your channel, look at it, take a holistic view of it, and think about what changes you feel like you need to do. Consistency is very key. Branding is very important in this whole thing, in this game. So brand yourself properly. keep trying till you get to where you want to be, and take advantage of all these improvement changes that YouTube is making. Take advantage of them and use it to your benefit, you know. So subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and see you in my next video. Bye and stay blessed.